So first of all, I would like to introduce about myself. Thank you for asking me. And my name is Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student as well as I'm an English learner. I'm learning this language. Besides everything, I'm doing a part-time job at a school. Yeah, that's all about me. So what about you?
Okay, you are from Bangladesh. Yes.
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah. My name is Rita Mahanto. I am from Raurkela in Sundargarh district of Odisha. I mean, I am Indian. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And I am fresher. I have been practicing as an advocate in Raurkela court. Apart from this, my hobbies are yoga and art. As well as I want to help people, those who want to learn English. And they are starting their English journey from zero level. I mean, ground level. I want to
Okay.
help them. That's all about me.
Okay. That's nice introduction about yourself. So are you doing any job?
Yes. Professionally
So
as an advocate.
you are advocate.
Yeah.
My God. So okay, there's I'm very glad to talk with you.
It's okay. Then
Okay,
you said you are studying. I want to know that which class are you studying now?
student of honors first year.
Students of
Honors first year. I'm taking honors course
okay.
about 4 years.
Which subject? Honors.
My subject is political science.
Like political science.
Yeah, political science.
You like politics?
Actually, no,
Definitely.
I don't like political science. My favorite subject was English, but unfortunately, I didn't chance to that subject. That's why I come in this subject.
Oh,
So maybe
okay.
maybe you already graduated.
Yeah.
Okay.
After graduate, you can do that LLB course. Yes. Before
Actually,
graduate, you
I
can do.
had a, I had a dream when I was a student of college. That time I dreamed I will study about LLB, but unfortunately I lost my all of dreams.
Then what is your aim now? You are studying that political science.
Actually, right now my aim is I just want to certificate of honors. That's it.
Oh, no. You have something special dream.
Actually, yeah. I need a certificate about this political subject, and in future I want to do freelancing. That's why I'm learning this language. So
Okay. And what's your hobby? You
actually,
have
my
that great aim. I could not understand still yet what is that aim.
actually right now my hobby is making conversation with different types of people to enhance my speaking English, and I'm interested in traveling. When I get time, I'm traveling. So what about you? What's your hobby?
I don't
What's
like travel because I can't travel. And
okay? So what do you do in your leisure time?
I already told you that my hobbies are yoga and art.
Okay,
I do
your
art
hobbies and art.
scratch. Yeah.
In your leisure time, do you yoga or
Practicing this English language?
sorry?
How long have you been practicing this
I'm
English?
prac I have been practicing this language since 2 months.
2 months. Yes, same
Yes.
here. But
You are,
you have already completed 2 months.
yeah, already it's completed. I've been
Yes,
starting
I have
learning this
completed
language
1 month. I have
too.
completed 1 month.
Oh my God, you speak English very well.
No. It's depend on your mindset only.
So
Because
before on
I am from Odisha and my mother tongue is Odia and Hindi is
Korea
my language. English is my third language. Yes,
art language,
and I
okay.
have completed my study also in Odia medium.
So before on month you didn't speak in English.
No, it was a subject when I was studying. It was only subject. Yeah,
Okay. When you was a student that time, what was your favorite subject?
science.
Science. Okay, you are a student of science background. Yeah, in science there are lots of subjects, physics, chemistry, and there are many which subject
Physics,
your paper?
physics. I like physics. Chemistry also I like, but that there are so many electronic configuration. I confuse something that,
Okay,
but
are
I
you are
remain.
you okay? Are you good at math or at English?
Sorry,
When you were a student, that time are you good at math or at English?
math, math.
Math, okay.
Now, actually, after LLB, uh, actually during my internship, I understood that I need now English basically for my profession. Yeah,
Yes,
all the process in advocacy it's fully in English. So I need that speaking English fluently and writing skill as well. And by the way, it's the global language. Yes. Now
so
it
I
is science and commerce, diplomacy, and all formal education to contributed that English becoming the first truly global language. Yeah. And it
yes,
is an essential tool you can make your future in this
yes.
globalized world. Yes.
And I'm really surprised to hear one word. You practice English 1 month and you speak English very well. I'm really surprised.
Okay. Thank you for that.
I think
No, I'm also competitive because we are both are co-learner. That's it. Yeah.
yes. I think if you practice 2 or 3 months, you will be a good English learner, good English speaker.
Maybe, but I
So,
need that consistency. Yeah.
okay, so what do you do for your improve your English?
No, I'm not doing that much. But when I get free time, I have been making that conversation video, and I have a YouTube channel as well.
Oh my
Yes.
God, you have a YouTube channel.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Am I visible?
Yes. You are visible and audible both.
So how many subscriber in your YouTube channel?
There are 450 something. Sorry, 250 something.
250. So when did you create your channel?
Yes, on that same day, it was 2nd November.
2nd
And
November.
2nd December, it was my monthly recap day, and I have completed already 1 month.
Okay,
Yeah.
you are doing good work. Within 1 month, you got a 250 subscriber. That's really nice work.
I don't know because I am from Odisha and my environment is fully Odia.
Okay, so
Yeah,
right, are
90%
you?
Odia and 10% Hindi. Yes,
So how many languages do you know?
I know Odia, Hindi, and learning English now. And I know the little bit Bengali because West Bengal is our neighbor state. That's it.
Okay, yeah. Before our conversation, I made a conversation with a friend from West Bengal.
Oh, yeah. West Bengal is our neighbor state. Yeah.
Okay, so how many states have you visited in India?
No, no, no. I
You
have
told
no chance to
me you don't
visit.
like to.
Yeah. In future, if I'll get that chance, then I will must visit.
Okay,
I
so
hope
right
that.
now,
By the way, I can't visit. I can't travel. And
okay,
it's time also now. December month is running. I mean the last month of the year. Those people have that hobby, and those people want to travel one place to other place. They are traveling in this month, in this
actually,
winter.
winter season is a one kind of traveling time. Maximum people travel in winter season. It's very
Yes,
comfortable.
time, picnic time. Yeah. Do you like that
Yeah.
picnic?
Yes, yes, I like.
Okay, with your friends.
Not my with my friends and
Very
before few days I was going to a visit a place, and that place is besides the Meghalaya state. Do you know Meghalaya in India?
heard that. Yeah. Okay.
So are you at your
Hello.
Right now, are you at your home?
No, I am outside home. Because of network issue, I can't make any video
Okay,
inside room.
so when do you go to your work?
Actually, my working time is 10 a.m. and I come back sometimes 3 p.m., sometimes 4 p.m. Yes, there is no specific time. It's
Okay.
related to our schedule. Yeah,
So right now, are you doing professional or you are non-professional? Are you doing working by
I have been I have been practicing under my senior advocate, and I am
okay,
also an advocate. Yes, I am fresher.
okay, I
And
understand.
I am junior. I am practicing under my senior advocate. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think? How many times you have to practice, and then you will work by yourself?
Actually, how long time I'll take? I can't say that particularly, but it needs our mindset basically. Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Something for the beginner. How can they start their English journey? Because English is not because English is not our mother tongue. Yeah.
Yes, you are right. So actually, I want to say for beginners who want to learn speaking English, they have to start from basic level. Like they have to learn some vocabulary and they have to make sentences by that words, and they have to learn how to express, how to tell something about herself, about her family, about her village, about her country. If he completed this level, then he can able to speak English by herself, I think. And besides these types of work, they have to watch English video. They have to writing something in English. They have to practice. Yeah. So
Okay.
what about your opinion?
Yeah. Same here. Because I can say that those who are starting from zero level, they should not to focus directly to the grammar. First, they have to
Yes.
speak out. Then, gradually, it should happen. Yeah,
Okay, I understand.
and it needs
So
the dedication. Without
yeah,
dedication, we can't learn anything. Yeah.
yeah, if we give time, if we give more time behind this language, obviously we'll learn